Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Friday 25th of March. And guys, it seems like Bitcoin is facing a little bit of resistance, and the weekend is starting from tomorrow. So that's not a good sign. It's not a good sign, and we do know that 44,000 is a huge level that has to be broken. So I actually made a announcement on Discord that channel developing and resistance has been met on the 44,000. So you can see Bitcoin is like forming a channel, and you can see it's getting rejected over here, and there's a bearish candle printing on the 4-hour time frame, and potentially it's going to affect it onto the daily, and we can have a little bit of a retracement down to the heading into the weekend. If you guys are interested in taking a technical analysis course, the link is in the description of the video. Let's dive into the chart. It's going to be a very pretty quick update over here. So what I'm going to do is let's open up, because I've messed up the charts really pretty much over here. What I'm just going to do is delete everything actually. So here we are. Let's redraw once again. So what I'm going to show you is this. First of all, you have a resistance going up there. Okay, so it's like we're making a channel over here. So I'm going to lay down this resistance line, which you've already met, and from here guys, you also have the down channel over there. It looks like some sort of a rising wedge, but I don't think it's really a rising wedge. It's more like a channel forming up, not a rising wedge. So yeah, it's like a channel, not a rising wedge, nothing bearish. Okay, so right now, what are you doing? You are really overbought. That's the truth. You're really overbought right now. The market is completely like taken off. There's no breaks in the market right now, so you do need a little bit of a break. Maybe come down to this. It will make sense that in Saturday and Sunday, if you were to come down, you will come down to this line, which is going to be 42,799, and then from here you actually start to go up and maybe potentially start to break out of there. So there's going to be a fairly quick update, and we do know that in here there's a big resistance of this 44k wall. So I'm going to show you that resistance over there, and that is the resistance. You can see that because previously one touch went down, another touch nearly went down, here, one here, and now you have one here. Okay, so it's a big resistance wall, and you already have this resistance, which is the yellow line over here, and one of the channel which is up there, big resistance. And as a matter of fact, if I talk about the RSI, or let's bring in the Bollinger Bands as well, because the Bollinger Bands does say that you're overbought. You're really overbought. You can see you're already on the top level of Bollinger Bands, so completely overbought. That's not a good sign. And let's bring in the Gaussian channel as well, because I just want to see if the Gaussian channel is gonna tell us something. Yeah, now the Gaussian channel, you can see it does show that there's a little bit of resistance coming at this line over here. So it might be that it comes down and finds support at this upper band of the Gaussian channel, bounce off it, and then you're looking good to go to the upside. So that's it for Bitcoin update, guys. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.